In this example, we're going to reflect this rectangle ABCD. This is the pre-image. I'm going to reflect it over the y-axis. So that means it's going to move from the left part of the graph over to the right part of the graph. So I'm going to do this one point at a time. The key when we're doing a reflection is I'm taking the distance from one of the vertices and the line of reflection. Again, this is the line of reflection, the y-axis. I'm taking the distance between a vertex and that line and then duplicating the same distance on the other side of the line of reflection. So A is 1, 2, 3, 4 units away from the y-axis. So I'm going to move 4 units on the other side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the location of A prime. B is just 1 unit away from the y-axis. So I'm going to move 1 unit on the other side of that line of reflection. I'm going to keep following that same thing for C, just over here. And then now I can figure out, to create my rectangle, where D prime is going to go. And then I connect the vertices. So I've created a mirror image, which with a rectangle, it's not so easy to determine. If I didn't have any of the points labeled, I wouldn't be able to determine if this had just been a translation to the right or a reflection over the y-axis. But it's the labels of the points that tell me that. So point A was on the left side of the rectangle. A prime is on the right side of the rectangle. D and D prime, they switch sides from the left side to the right side of their given rectangle. So that's how I can check and see that this was in fact a reflection, by looking at the points, the letters that are used to name each of these vertices.